Hello everyone, I ordered ASUS Zephyrus G14, which is a great compact gaming laptop, and here is the unboxing and my first impressions. I ordered this particular model on Amazon. It has Ryzen 7 4800HS with GTX 1660 Ti 6GB GPU. It has 16GB of RAM and 1TB of NVMe storage, which is definitely super cool. The MRP for this model is around 160,000, but you will find this on Amazon for around from 120 to 130,000 rupees, and you can also get extra 5% discount with Amazon ICIC card, as I did. It will also have a full MS Office 2019 pre-installed. I will give links to some of the models of this laptop in the description, and you can have a look if you are interested. Now let us move to the unboxing. We are also provided with its sleeve. It is good that ASUS gave this laptop sleeve in the box itself. And here we have the box of the laptop. On the right side we have the power brick. We have to open the box further and then the laptop will lift a little and it will be easier to pick it up. Here we also have some Zephyrus G series manual and a simple comic book. We have nothing in the center. On the right side we have the power brick. And on the left side we have the extension cable. Now let me put the box aside and have a closer look on the laptop. Firstly, I need to remove this plastic covering on the laptop. Firstly, I need to remove this plastic covering on the laptop. You can see some of the features of this laptop here. It is one of the very few laptops that have AMD Ryzen chip. It has anime matrix on the back. It has 76 watt-hour battery and Wi-Fi 6 for great Wi-Fi speeds. 120 Hz display, Type-C charging support, which is limited to 65 watts. And also Dolby Atmos support. It is not turning on, so I think I will have to charge it first. Let me connect the charger and set up the Windows. Here are some of the specs on the box that I mentioned earlier.
Now let's get you connected to a network. That way you can get updates, apps, and
My Windows setup is complete now. One problem that you will face with this laptop is that it is very tough to open the lid with one hand. So you definitely will have to use two hands to open up the lid. Since it has a very powerful Ryzen 4800U 8 core and 16 thread processor in such a small form factor and compact design, let us have a quick look at some of the benchmarks. On Geekbench 5, single core score was 1142 and multi-core score was 7098. I also did a speed test for 1TB NVMe SSD On the reading side, we have a speed of around 2.6 GB per second, and on the writing side, we have close to 2 GB of speed. On Cinebench R20, this has a score of 3946, which is great, and only some of the higher end notebook chips from Intel side can provide such a performance. Let us have a look at the performance of 1660 Ti now. We will play GTA 5 on the recommended settings, but I limited the anti-aliasing to just FXAA. Most of the other things are maxed out. I was getting close to around 80 to 90 FPS most of the time. Then I tried Call of Duty Warzone on the recommended settings. It was giving me around 70 to 80 FPS. Sometimes the FPS went in the range of 90 to 100. Most of the things are maxed out. Some of the things are disabled, and these are recommended settings, and I didn't change anything. You can get more FPS by disabling a lot of things. The battery life on this laptop was also very decent thanks to the 7nm chip. I got around 4 hours on heavy load and around 5 to 6 hours on decent load, which consisted of watching a lot of YouTube videos, editing documents, etc. If you are just reading PDF and stuff, you will get close to around 7 to 8 hours. Do keep in mind that you will have to plug into the power when playing games. I also tried Rocket League. Even if you max out everything, you will get almost full FPS on this game. I have limited the FPS to 120, and that is why I'm locked at 120 FPS, but if you increase the locked FPS to 250, you will even get 250 FPS. Screen quality and viewing angles are very good since it has an IPS display. Speaker quality and max sound quality is okayish, nothing exceptional there.
Waste another day, eyes on my display. You say we need a change and I feel that you mean it. losing track of time, buying things online, and it's not like we need them. We don't need them. So can we just slow?
The keyboard is fantastic. I was using the MacBook Butterfly keyboard and a mechanical keyboard, and this keyboard is definitely much better. The trackpad is also made of glass, and with Windows precision drivers, it provides a smooth experience. The laptop also has a pretty decent selection of ports. It has HDMI, two USB 3.2A ports, and USB-C port, and also headphone jack. The laptop is also provided with an anime matrix, which makes this laptop a unique product. You have to keep in mind that this laptop does not have any webcam, and you have to buy an external webcam for this. So thanks for watching this video, guys. Please hit the thumbs up button if you liked the video, subscribe to my channel for more future videos like this, and thanks once again.